So we will read about the desert. The desert. Student, as you see in the pics, images, as you see, there is a lots of water in the images. And are you thinking that why the water is there in the desert field, right? So we will know about the waters in the desert field. So most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of land. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. Is it true? No, my dear friend, this is not the completely true. So, we will read about the desert. As my dear friend, most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of land. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. But, my dear friend, is it true? This is not the completely true. That the desert is full of sand, right? The desert, especially the desert. We will know about the fact of the desert. The specialists, however, see the desert as a beautiful place for them. A desert is the home of variety of people, animals and plants. The desert can be a beautiful place, a home of many people, animals and plants. When it rains, desert flower blooms. So desert is not just full of dry, hot, waterless, not surviving places, right? As we seen the fact in real life like Ladakh, there is a lot of hope or evidence to survive. Right, my dear friend? So next slide. Now we come on the next slide. We knew about the desert environment. Now we see in the climate in the desert. The climate in the deserts is extremely hot. The summer are very hot and dry. Sandstorms are common in this season. What is sandstorms? Sandstorms is like an sandstorm is the air which is sandstorms is the blowing air which is full of dust, right? Water becomes scarce, and in many places there is a severe drought. Most places receive little or no rainfall. The winter days are sunny and cool at night because due to less moisture, the sand cools down quickly. It becomes bitterly cold. The climate in the desert is extremely hot. The summer are very hot and dry. Sandstorms are common in this season. Then what is sandstorm? So my dear friend, the blowing air which is full of dust is known as sandstorms. Because of these sandstorms, we seen that the moisturing particles in this desert, the moisturing particles in the desert is becoming less. Water becomes scarce, and in many places there is a severe drought. Most places receive little or no rainfall. We know these things, right? The water in the water The winter days are sunny and cool at night because due to less moisture the sand cools down quickly and it becomes bitterly cold. Desert is not just a sandy wasteland, as we read previously that it may have a mountains and even a greenland called oasis. So my dear friend, as we know where the green plants is grown, so my dear friend, as we know, so my dear friend, as we know, that means Greenland starts to grow around the water and heap of sand where we call the mountain the desert. This is our third chapter in the Alien Handbook, which is your supplementary book. So let's read. Most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of land. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. But my dear friends, this is not but my dear friend, this is not the completely true. That the desert is full of sand, right? Then what the fact is that? Let's read. The specialists, however, see the desert as a beautiful place. For them, a desert is the home of variety of people, animals, and plants. The desert can be a beautiful place, a home of many people, animals, and plants. When it rains, desert flowers bloom. As we've seen, the desert is not just a full of dry, hot, waterless, not surviving place. It is the perception of the people, right? As we see the fact in real life also, like we know about the Ladakh, there is a lot of evidence or hope to survive, and the people is surviving there nowadays also, right friends? Now we see in the environment of the desert. Now we come to the climate of the desert. The climate in the desert is extremely hot. The summers are very hot and dry. Sandstorms are common in this season. What is the sandstorm? Sandstorm is the blowing air which is full of dust, right? Water becomes scarce, and in many places there is a severe drought. Scarce means to less water. As we seen in the summer days, there is a lots of scarcity in water. As we seen in the summer days, there is a lots of scarcity in water in this area. Most places receive little or no rainfall. This is the reason to less the water. The winter days are sunny and cool at night because due to less moisture, the sand cools down quickly. It becomes bitterly cold. As we seen, my dear friend, because of the less moisture, the desert is not full of. As we seen, my dear friend, because of less moisture, the desert is not totally in summer. The desert, because of less moisture, the desert is not totally full of summer or full of winter. Okay, so it is according to, it is, it adapt according to the humidity or weather from the air. Now we come on the third slide. Desert is not just a sandy wasteland. It may have mountain and even a green land called oasis. This is why, my dear friend, we all are telling you why the water we seen here in the images, because there is also a Greenland. As we know, Greenland starts to grow around the water, right? And heap of sand is also collected there, which we call a mountain. As we seen previously that the heaps of sand, as we seen previously the heap of sand, which we call, which we call mounts, right? Now we come on a desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. Strong winds raise heaps of sand and deposit them as mounds. They are called sand dunes. My friend, sand dunes is just like a pyramid shape. As we see in pyramids in the images which is full of sand, right? So sand dunes is just like that. We see. So, my dear friend, from the now we got to know about the life of the people or animals or plants. We got to know about the life of animals and plants in the desert areas, right? Now, all living things, including plants and animals, needs water to survive. But desert creatures and plants require less water than Greenland plants. This is very old to know that we all are extremely consumer of water, right? Human being, plants, we all are extremely consumer of water. But the desert creatures and plants require less water than Greenland plants. Why they have a less? Then, my dear friend, we got to know. My dear friend, we should know why these animal or creatures needs a less water to survive. While we see, while we see the ordinary people or the creatures needs a good amount of water to survive. So now we can see that camels. Now we can see that camels can do without water for days together. This is something which is telling about the camel's capacity of adaptation in the third desert, right? This is something which tells about the camel's capacity of the adaptations, the camel capacity of adaptation in the desert. The reason is that they sweat. The reason is that they sweat very little. That's why I think human beings sweat when it gets hot. My dear friend, which is basically telling about, because we know in the fact that camels have high body temperature. Due to the high body temperature, they sweat very less because its body is basically cools. Due to the high body temperature, its body becomes always be cool, right? So we know about the human being needs a lots of water, or because due to the water we because of the high body temperature of the camels, they sweat cools the body, or due to the body temperature and less sweat from the body, they can be able to store high water. So my dear friend, as we know the capacity of camels, now we see in the next slide. The smaller desert plants such as cactus store water in their thick stems. The smaller desert plants such as cactus store water in their thick stems. They quickly absorb moisture even from the light rains. So my dear friend, we see in the facts of plants, cactus store water in their thick stems because they quickly absorb moisture even from the light rays. Right? They absorb the moisture from the little rain. And camel stores their water due to the less. So, as we seen, students, so there is a lots of fact in desert creature who leads them to adapt in the desert area, right? We see in the camel. Camel sweat less and store high water for a long period of time, right? We see in the cactus store water in their thick stems, right? So this is the features, or this is the, we can say, um, basically capacity to them to survive or adapt in the desert area, right? Now we come on the next slide. The major features of all desert is dryness and variation in temperature. We know since there is no moisture in the air, the desert heats up rapidly during the day and also cools off rapidly at night. As we seen, my friend, because of less moisture, the desert heats up rapidly during the day, and due to this moisture, cools off rapidly at night, because the moisture is the blanket which provide us the summer or the winter, which provide us the cool or hot, right? So due to the less moisture, we the adaptation of the weather on that point on there, due to the less moisture, the adaptation of the weather is rapidly during the day or during the night. Due to the less moisture, the desert heats up rapidly during the day or also cools off rapidly at night. Okay, my dear friend, now we come on the next slide. So, my dear friend, we see the desert is the place where the plants and animals can also survive with the adaptations of the temperature. Due to the dry region, we find varieties of plants and animals like camels, cactus, right? Greenlands. There's a lots of different creatures also find there. So now we come to the word meaning. We already know about the mounds, big heaps of sand, absorb, take in completely. We see the camel absorb water for a long period of time, adapt, change. We see in the cactus adapt there and to store high water, large amount of water at one time for a long period of time. Right? Variation, changes. We see in there lots of variation in the lots of aspect. Right? Humid, containing moisture. We see because of less moisture, the day rapidly changes during the we see because of the less moisture, the day rapidly changes in the day or in the night. In the day we see it becomes hot. In the night we see it becomes cold. Right? Now we we have just seen what we read today. First we see First we start with the question. Most people describe the desert as my dear friend, we read in the first slide, it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls. It is dry, hot, without shelter. This is the this is the this is the describing factor by most of people. But this is not true, right? Describe the desert as a specialist see it. We seen in the second slide. For those who have studied it, the desert is one of the beautiful places, right? Second, we read it is the home of variety of people, animal and plants. At third point, adaptation of creature is the most beneficial tools for them. Right? Now, we don't forget about the homework. So my dear friend, what we have to do is I am giving you the worksheet and you have to complete your worksheet according to time. Right? There is a 10 question in the worksheet and I hope that you will enjoy this worksheet and doing it with a lots of enjoyment. Thank you my dear friend. Hope you have all did enjoy my hope you all have read this chapter with the lots of enjoyment and with the new ideas. Hope you all are enjoyed this chapter. Thank you.